Makiria andiki a mohoro mwena wa Naivasha, munini wa mutongoria wa kiama giki Professor Lukoye Aturi augite akenya aria maragomerwo ni murimu uyu wa kimeciiria ni ukuru wa gatagati-ini kuria hari akenya na umwe wao ni agomerwo ni murimu uyu.
Depression is like diabetes, is like hypertension. When somebody gets these diseases, it is because of a combination of genetic factors. It is a combination of environmental factors.
Kuona uyu niguo murimu wa keeri uria uroraga akenya muno, Aturi ni ugite miaka 20 iguka murimu uyu niguo gakorwo ukiuraga akenya na njira nene angikorwo ndugwetherwo kihonia.
Most dramatic manifestations of mental illness and depression is suicide and suicidal behavior. And I think we have seen that in this country in the recent years.
Mwena-ini wake ndagitari Jacqueline Kituli augite kiama giki ni gikurutithania wira na thirikari niguo kugeria gwetha kihonia kia murimu uyu.
It's also important for the public to know that you can actually go onto the Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board website and verify the person that you are seeing. There's all the issues about quacks and things like that, so you can actually verify from a list on the board.
Kirifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wanjiru wa Boro.